Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and enjoying with your online classes. So children, today we are going to start a new lesson. That is lesson number 3, adaptation in animals for class 4th and subject science. Okay, so what do you understand with the heading, with the lesson name? Adaptation. Adaptation is nothing but adopting. Okay, by whom? By the animals. So in the previous lesson we have learned about adaptation in plants, like how plants will adopt or will take different types of things in order to grow, in order to survive. Similarly, animals also, let us see different types of animals, what different types of methods they will adopt to grow, to eat. Okay, and when it comes to animals, definitely we don't have one kind of animal, we have different types of animals. Like अगर हम इंसानों को ही देख लो, ह्यूमन बींग्स को ही देख लो, हर ह्यूमन बींग का बिहेवियर अलग रहता है. Similarly, when it comes to animals, there are different types of animals like land animals, terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, right? So these animals also have different adaptive method in order to grow, in breathing, in eating, everything. Okay, let us learn in this lesson that how the different types of animals, how they adopt different types of things which is available in this world. Let us start with the pre-reading activity. All the 4th class students, take out your reader, that is page number 111. Lesson number 3, adaptation in animals. Yeah. Different types of animals live on our planet, the earth. Animals of 70,000 types are found in our country, India. These animals live in different environment surroundings. Some live on land, some live on trees, others live in water. Some others are parasites. They are able to meet their demands of shelter, food and reproduction in these surroundings. Moreover, they have adjusted to these surroundings by developing suitable characters. So now, in our planet, there are different types of animals. There are not only 1, 2, 3 kind, 4 kind of animals, but there are different types of animals. So India में 70,000 species of animals are found. Means 70,000 types of animals are there in India. Everyone, they adopt different animals. They live in different surroundings. Some live on land, some live on tree, and some live in water. कोई लैंड में रहता है, कोई ट्री में रहता है, कोई पानी में रहता है. इसके अलावा इन्हीं सब जगहों में रहने के अलावा they make their own shelter, they make their own food and they reproduce, right? They will not take help of any human being. They themselves, they do everything, they search their food. So moreover, the environment, they are vehicles, they are human beings, and some of them, like there are trees also, but yeah, we are cutting the trees, we are causing damage to the environment, but still these animals are surviving even if there are changes, even if there is changes in the country, there are changes in the characters of the people or anything, still they are living, they are adjusting. Okay, all the animals, as we are adjusting, like अगर आज कभी खाने के लिए कुछ ना हो पर still भी हम लोग adjust करके खा लेते हैं. Similarly, these animals also, they are adjusting in this world, in this environment. Next, the difficult process of adjustment, development of suitable characters that improves the changes of survival is called adapting. These suitable characters are called adaptations. So adjusting themselves by adopting different methods is called adapting, and these type of characters is called as what? Adaptation. So the word adaptation is nothing but adjusting in the characters, in the different characters, is called as what? Adaptation. These adaptations generally are the body features, food habits and way to protect themselves from the enemies. When animals fail to adjust to the surrounding, they either die or shift to the other places that suit them. These adaptations may develop for adjustment with its surroundings, for food and for protection. So adaptations are of 3 types. Adapting means protecting themselves from the surroundings. Like if एक साल से या कितने की साल से वो लोग वहीं पर रह रहे, but still now वो एरिया, वो चीज उन्हें सूट नहीं कर रहा है, so either they will change it, they will die, or the other they will change the place and they move to some other place. Second is on the food. And third is the protecting themselves from other harmful animals as well as the human beings. Now adaptation for living place. Now first one is what, how the animal will adapt, will suit himself or themselves in the area where they will live. जहाँ पे वो रहते हैं वहाँ पे अपने आप को कैसा सूट करते हैं. Let us see that. Animals live in hot desert, cold mountains, plain trees and water. The place where they live is called habitat. We can make 5 groups according to the habitat. So some animals live in hot places, in the desert places, in cold, in mountains as well as plains, trees, water. मतलब everywhere you can find animals. It is not like that कि जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं you can find there only, और जहाँ पे forest है you can find animals there only. No, you can find animals there also where there are no forest. Okay, you can find animals there also where there is no land, only desert is there, right? So you can find animals wherever you will go. Now based on the things, based on the type how they live, they have divided this into 5 groups. Okay, different examples. The first one is what, terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals, let us see terrestrial animals किसे कहते हैं. Animals that live on the ground all the time are called terrestrial animals. They have large legs to walk or run. Animals like snakes that do not have legs to walk or run have scales to help them crawl. They have lungs to breathe air and well-developed sense organs to find food and sense safety or danger. Animals living in cold places like sheep, rabbits and polar bears have thick skin to keep them warm. Desert animals have thick skin to protect from sun. Camels have broad feet with thick pads. These spread out as a camel walks. Broad feet and pads make it easy for the camel to walk on the desert sand. So now terrestrial animals is nothing but these are the animals which live on land. Totally on the ground. वो ground पे चलते हैं. So again this terrestrial animals are divided into many types. Like few terrestrial animals, it is said that they have legs. तो अगर उनको कहीं one place से लेके दूसरी place में जाने का है, so they will move with the help of legs. But now next is what, snake is there. But snake also live on land. लेकिन उसके पास legs नहीं रहते. So how it is terrestrial animals? Still snake is a terrestrial animals because it lives on land, but it moves with the help of scales. Okay. So these terrestrial animals which live on the ground, whether it is a desert area, whether it is cold area or whether it is hot area, they can survive because they have few habitats to survive in these type of land. For example, like the animals, street animals, dogs, cow, every animal, terrestrial animals, they have legs and they breathe with the help of what? With the help of lungs. All the terrestrial animals have what? Lungs. So sheep, rabbits and polar bears, they live in the cold places. Okay, cold places उसका मतलब क्या है, जो उनकी skin होती है वो बहुत thick skin होती है. So that's the reason चाहे वहाँ पे जितनी भी ठंड हो, still वो लोग वही cold places में रह सकते हैं. And the animals like desert animals, वो desert animals की भी skin thick होती है. That's the reason जब वहाँ पे hot sun होता है, हॉट अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज होता है या सन की रेज इतनी ज़्यादा हार्मफुल होने के बावजूद भी वो लोग ईजिली डेजर्ट एरिया में रह सकते हैं बिकॉज दे हैव थिक स्किन. नेक्स्ट, कैमल्स, दे हैव अ ब्रॉड फीट विथ विच दे कैन ईजिली मूव ऑन द डेजर्ट एरिया, ऑन द सैंड एरिया. यूजुअली डेजर्ट एरिया में जब धूप ज़्यादा होती है तो सैंड भी गर्म हो जाते हैं. इट इज़ very difficult for the human beings to walk on the desert without wearing slippers or any shoes. But still animals like camel can easily walk on the desert area because they have what? They have thick, or you can say a thick broad feet with a thick pads. Some few pads have been attached on their legs. Okay, so this is how the terrestrial animals can easily survive on the ground. Next is what? Aquatic animals. Animals living in water are called aquatic animals. Fish, turtles and crabs are aquatic animals. Fish swim with the help of fins. Turtles push water with their paddle-like limbs or flippers to swim. Fish and crabs have gills to breathe in water. Turtles and crocodiles have lungs to breathe. They take out their nose above water and breathe air. So aquatic animals is nothing but these are the animals जो पानी में रहते हैं. पानी में रहने के बाद give me few examples which are the animals which live in water. Yes, fish, tortoise, turtles, crabs, whale, many types, right? तो ये जो aquatic animals होते हैं, how they will swim? They swim with the help of fins. Okay, they have what? Fins. Turtles does not have fin, but they push themselves with the help of their limbs. जो उनके limbs होते हैं, with the help of that limbs, turtle will move themselves in the water. And fish and crab, जैसा land animals में lungs होते हैं, fish में gills होते हैं. With the help of that gills, they can breathe. तो इट डज नॉट मीन कि जितने भी वाटर एनिमल है वो लोग गिल से ही ब्रीथ करते हैं. नो, ओनली फिश एंड क्रैब्स विल हैव गिल्स, बट रेस्ट क्रोकोडाइल एंड टर्टल्स दे हैव लंग्स टू ब्रीथ. सो यू कैन से कि पानी में रहने के बावजूद भी पानी के एनिमल्स में भी कितना डिफरेंस है. फ्यू एनिमल्स लंग्स से ब्रीथ करते हैं एंड फ्यू एनिमल्स जो है गिल्स के थ्रू ब्रीथ करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट एम्फीबियंस. फ्रॉग, टोड्स एंड salamanders live on both land and in water. The tadpoles of frog have gills to breathe in water, while on the land the adult frog jump and leap and breathe through the lungs. They also swim in water with their webbed feet and breathe through the moist skin. So again, frog. Amphibians is nothing but amphibians are called as what? Frog. So these frog, they live in water as well as they live in land. So the animals which live in water and land are called as what? Amphibians. Example is given, that is frog and toads and salamanders. So these animals like frog अगर ले लो तो frog के जो बच्चे रहते हैं उन्हें tadpole कहते हैं. So when the baby frog or you can say a tadpole जब वो पानी में रहते हैं तो they will breathe with the help of what? With the help of gills. But as the tadpole becomes adult and take the image of a frog, they breathe with the help of lungs. सो पहला जब छोटे रहते हैं तो उनके पास गिल्स होते हैं जिसके थ्रू वो ब्रीथ करते हैं. बट जैसे वो बड़े होते हैं दे ट्रांसफर देमसेल्फ इनटू अडल्ट, दे विल ब्रीथ विद द हेल्प ऑफ लंग्स. सो यू कैन से हाउ डिफरेंस इज देयर बिटवीन द वाटर एनिमल्स एंड द अदर टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स. कुछ एनिमल्स जो है सिर्फ गिल्स के थ्रू ब्रीथ करते हैं, बट कुछ एनिमल्स जो है जो लंग्स के थ्रू ब्रीथ करते हैं. बट फ्रॉग इज द एनिमल, जब वो छोटे होते हैं तो वो गिल्स के थ्रू ब्रीथ करते हैं, जब वो बड़े होते हैं तो उनके पास क्या रहता है? उनके पास लंग्स रहते हैं. एज वेल एज दे ऑल्सो हैव अ वेब्ड फीट विच अलाउज देम टू स्विम इन वाटर एंड दे विल ब्रीथ थ्रू देयर मॉइस्ट स्किन. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? आर्बोरियल एनिमल्स. These animals live on the branches of trees most of the time. They have powerful legs and arms. Monkey, tree, lizard, flying squirrel and opossums etc. are arboreal animals. Monkeys use their tail to grip branches and hang down for swinging. Sharp claws help squirrels and lizards to climb on the trees. So arboreal animals are nothing but these are the animals which live on tree. तो जो animals सिर्फ tree में रहते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? उन्हें आर्बोरियल एनिमल्स कहते हैं. एंड एग्जांपल्स आर मंकी, ट्री, लिजर्ड. Lizard are of two types. One is of the tree, one which we can find on the walls of our houses. So tree lizard, flying squirrels and opossums. These are the examples of arboreal. So monkey, they use their tail in order to jump from one tree to another tree. Okay. And yes, sharp claws help squirrel and lizard to climb the trees. So squirrel and lizard, they have sharp claws. With the help of that sharp claws, they can easily climb the tree from one tree to another tree. But monkey, they use what? They use tail. So the animals which live on tree are called as what? Arboreal animals. Next is what? Aerial animals. Birds, bats and some insects are aerial animals. These animals spend a lot of time in the air, so they have wings to fly. Their bones and are light and hollow. Their boat-shaped body helps them to push through the air. Many birds have such toes and claws that help them to perch on the branches of tree safely. Next is what? Aerial animals. As the word is said, aerial, air is coming. So when the word air is coming, it means these are the animals which fly. Okay. So these animals, they spend a lot of time in the air. They have wings to fly. एंड देयर बोन्स, तो उनका वेट बहुत कम होता है. जो उनके हड्डियां होते हैं, देयर वेट इज वेरी लाइट. सो दैट्स द रीजन दे कैन इजीली फ्लाई विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर विंग्स. and their boat shaped body helps them to push in the air. And many birds, they have toes as well as claws which help them to easily sit for some time on the tree, on the branches of the tree, and easily they can climb the branches of the tree also, because they have toes and claws which helps them to perch on the branches of tree safely. Okay children, so these were the animals, different types of animals which we can find in a living place. Okay, in the living place, like we can see in front of us. So how do they live? Like वो animals which we can find, जो animals land में रह सकते हैं, जो animals desert में रह सकते हैं, water animals है, as well as the animals which will fly. So these are the different types of animals. Where do they live? जो मतलब उनका घर, अभी इस टॉपिक में उनका घर बताया गया है कि वो एनिमल्स कैसे कहाँ कहाँ रह सकते हैं और कैसे रहते हैं, right? In the next topic we will learn about the how these animals they eat food and how these animals they protect themselves. Okay, we will learn this in the next topic, because I can continue it but you people cannot understand it properly. So I'll teach you this in the next session. Okay, and till the time you read this lesson and watch the video as much as you can understand. Okay children, yes, we'll meet with a new topic in the next session. Okay children, yeah, thank you.